Today in this video, I will show you most important Linux command that can be used for Ubuntu or any other Linux based operating system. So without further ado, let's get started. If you did not install Ubuntu in your Windows operating system, then you should check out our previous video how to install Ubuntu in Windows operating system via WSL. WSL stands for Windows Subsystem for Linux. So if you did not check out this video, please check out. I will provide link of this video in the description section. If you already installed Ubuntu in your Windows operating system, then you should write here in search box Ubuntu and then double click on Ubuntu icon. You will get Ubuntu terminal on your screen. Now I'm just writing the first command, that is pwd. pwd stands for present working directory. Present working directory provides your current location where you are working. Write pwd and then enter. So you can see here, this is my present working location. So if I want to change my directory, so you write here second command, that is cd. cd stands for change directory, and then write here location where you want to be visit. I'm just want to be visit in home directory, so I'm just writing here /home and then enter. So right now I'm in home directory. If I want to know what kind of file and folders are available in home directory, then you should run in another command here, that is ls. ls stands for list. Write here ls and then press enter. You will get your folders. I have only 2 folders. If I want to make a new folder, so I'm just writing here mkdir. mkdir stands for make directory, and then write the name of your directory that you want to be created here. I'm writing here new folder 2 and then press enter. So you can see here I don't have any permission to create any file or folder in home directory. So in such situation you have to use super admin privileges to create any folder or file in your home directory. So for this task you just write here sudo. Sudo stands for super admin, and then write your previous command here, means mkdir and then new folder 2. After that press enter. So now you should write here your password of your Ubuntu terminal. So right here I'm just writing my password. I have write my password, but I am not able to visualize my password. So this is because of Ubuntu security. You just write your password and then press enter. Your command will be executed. So I think my command has been executed. So just check it using via ls command, because ls command will be provide the folder and file name of your present working directory, that means home. Enter ls command and you will get your 3 folders. So I'm just created my new folder 2. Same for file creation. If you want to be create a new file, then you should use a command that's name touch. After that you should write here your file name. I'm writing here file1.txt, means I'm just creating a text file that's name is file1. Enter here. So we are getting the similar kind of permission issues here. To resolve these issues, write here your previous command with sudo, means super admin privileges. I'm just writing here sudo, then my previous command touch file1.txt, then enter. I think my file has been created. Just write here ls. You can see here my file is created. So I have 3 folders and 1 file in home directory. Folders color is visualized as blue color and file name is visualized as white color. After that I'm just show you how we can copy a file or folder from one directory to another directory. So for this task I'm just write here another command, that is cp. cp stands for copy cp, and then write here your file name or folder name that you want to be copy from present directory to the another directory. So I am just move or just copy my file1.txt from our present working directory to new folder 1. So write here new folder 1 and then enter. I'm getting similar kind of permission issues here, so I'm using this command with sudo permission or sudo privileges. I want to copy this file from our present working directory to new folder 1. I'm writing here new folder 1 and then enter. So just check it whether my file is copied from our present working directory to new folder 1. So for this task I'm just changing my directory from home to new folder 1. So right here cd and then new folder, because new folder is existing inside the home directory. So you can write here new folder 1 and then enter. So right now I am in new folder 1 that is existing in home directory. So write here ls command to show your file or folders. So you can see here file1.txt is copied in new folder 1. So similar kind of procedure can be performed for move command. If you want to move your any file, in my case I'm just want to move my file1.txt to another directory. So for this task I'm just writing here a new command, that is mv stands for move. Write here your file name, but before these things I'm just start my command with sudo and then mv stands for move and then file name file1.txt and then write here directory name where you want to be move your file. So I want to move my file from new folder 1 to new folder 2. Write here location of your new folder 2. My new folder 2 is existing in home directory, so I have to be write here from my home directory, means you write here /home and then new folder 2. After that enter. Now you can check whether your file is moved or not. So write here ls again. You can see here new folder 1 is not having any kind of file. So here I want to be change my directory to know whether my file is moved from my present working directory to new folder 2. So I'm change my directory using cd command and directly write here my directory. So I'm writing here //home and then new folder 2, then enter. So my directory has been changed. You can check your present working directory to write pwd command. This is my present working directory and then write here ls command to know what kind of file and folder is available in new folder 2. Enter. So you can see here my file has been moved from new folder 1 to new folder 2. If you want to delete any file or folder, you have to write here rm command and then write here your file name file1 that I want to be delete from my present working directory and then enter. You can see here my file is write protected, so I am not able to delete this file without super admin privileges. So for this work I'm just writing here sudo and then rm and then file1.txt and then enter. So my command is executed to know whether my file is deleted or not. Write here ls command. So my present working directory, that means new folder 2, is not having any kind of file. If you want to delete any folder, you can consider the same command with R function. I'll show you how we can delete a folder from our working directory. So I'm just come here to change my directory from my present working directory to home directory. Right here //home, then enter. So right now I'm inside the home directory and write here your command sudo rm and then write here -r. -r can be used for hard delete. If your folder is having any kind of file or folder, then you will not able to delete your present working directory using rm command. So for this task you should have to use -r command for the hard delete. So I'm just want to remove my new folder 2. I'm writing here new folder 2, then enter. So my new folder 2 has been deleted. You can check your file or folder inside your current directory by using type your command ls. You can see here in our home directory there are the 2 folders and 1 files are available. New folder 2 has been deleted. So these are all important commands that can be used in Linux operating system. So in this video I have used pwd to know your directory, cd to change your directory, ls to know what kind of file and folder are available in your present working directory, mkdir to make any directory, touch to create any file, cp to copy any file from our present working directory to another directory, mv to move your file or folder from present working directory to any other location, and at last we have used rm command to remove any file or folder. So that is all about Linux based commands. Please you should run your commands in your Ubuntu operating system. If you will get any issues, any difficulties, please let me know in the comment section. I'll try to help out you. So enough for now. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.